Welcome into Taylor Kitchen. Today we are making a tagine. Now a tagine doesn't just refer to this particular cooking vessel, it also refers to the way things cook. You're gonna hear my grandson in the background. He's probably gonna chat the whole time we're doing this, but that's totally fine. He might come and help me. But we're gonna start in this tagine. Now, if you don't have a tagine, you can definitely use like a Dutch oven, you can use a casserole dish or anything else like that. But we're gonna start with some chicken. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the chicken. Now, any protein you wanna use works with this. And the smaller you chop everything up, obviously the quicker it will cook. The quicker it will cook. And I'm going to use a little bit of Ras El Hanout. Ras El Hanout is a Middle Eastern spice blend. It can be different in different regions, but usually Ras El Hanout, it means top of the shelf spice blend, and it can have cumin, it can have coriander, all kinds of things. You want to put a pinch of salt in here for me? Come over here, Rowan. Come over here, pinch of salt. He knows how to do pinch of salt. That's good. Don't touch the chicken. You want another pinch?
Okay.
Good job. Hey, you know what? You could put some pepper on here for me too. You want to do that?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. We're just going to tip it over right here, right? Yay, coolest pepper grinder ever. I will link it below. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Okay, and then whatever else you want to go in here, you put in there. I like a combination of peppers, sweet potatoes, and onions, so that's what we're going to do. Do you want to get your chair and help me?
Here's the chair.
Let's do that. My oven is preheated to 400. Okay, so my sous chef is going to come and help. Watch your fingers because I'm going to chop this. Right, just don't touch the chicken, okay? Watch your fingers. I'm going to cut some more. We'll get your little knife out after Mimi's done. All that goes on. That's just a very small sweet potato, and I didn't even peel it. And then I like some red pepper. Do you see the seeds in there?
Oh.
I know. Watch out. Watch. Yeah, keep your fingers back until I'm done. Bit of onion.
No seeds in it.
Nope, there's no seeds in this onion. This is a small tagine, so this is probably enough for 2 people. Can you put those pieces of onion in there? Don't. That's
So wet.
very nice. You did a good job, Rowan. Let's see, what else are we missing? Okay, so this is preserved lemon. Have you ever had a preserved lemon?
Okay.
It's super tart. You want to try a little bit?
No.
Okay. Oh, don't touch. And I made this myself. It's basically lemon that's preserved in salt. That's why we're not putting any more salt in this, because this is going to give us a nice salty bite. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that preserved lemon over here. While Rowan eats his puffs, what kind of puffs are those? Can you read that to us? Gerber.
Puff blueberry.
Blueberry. He's been reading since he was 3 1/2. That preserved lemon. I think I'm gonna put in the rest of this red pepper. You think we should put in the rest of this red pepper? Because it's gonna wilt down and not be hardly anything at all. So I think that'd be perfect in here. You wanna add those bits, Rowan?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you wanted to add some harissa in there, man, that would be delicious. But we're just gonna go with all of this and a drizzle of olive oil. And then I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna put this in my oven. That hat goes right on there. Do you like that? Isn't that cool? We're gonna put this in the oven for about 30 minutes. And like I said, if you don't have a tagine, because not everybody does, I will link it below if you wanna give it a try.
Hi.
But give it a try. You don't have a tagine, do you? No? You're stuffing your mouth with the puffs. You can try this in a Dutch oven or anything that has a nice covering. You won't get the same exact effect. You won't get the same exact effect as this conical shape, but it will do perfectly, and this will be a lovely, lovely meal and so delicious. You won't believe how tender and juicy everything comes out when you cook it in a tagine. But what fun cooking with kids, and they're so inquisitive. He doesn't care if I'm filming. He just wants to help. Hey there, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps out our channel and we so appreciate you. We love to hear from our channel members. Also check us out at tkfoodie.com. Hey there, if you have a YouTube channel that you're trying to grow, I highly recommend vidIQ. I've subscribed to vidIQ for a couple of years now. They give you all kinds of great analytics. They help you out with titles, tags, thumbnails, all of the above. So if you're interested in checking out vidIQ, click my link below. This tagine is looking marvelous, and the scents and the aromas that are coming off of this are so divine. I'm just going to tear a little bit of parsley over the top just for some fresh and some green. And then this is totally optional, but I didn't add any. Sometimes I'll add like chopped dried apricots or some golden raisins to this. But this time I'm gonna add just a sprinkling of pomegranate. Thwacking it like that is the easiest way to get the arils out of the pomegranate. Okay, give this a wee mix. And I wanna get a bite of everything, the chicken, and the pepper and the sweet potato. Can I get everything in one bite? And smell the zing of that preserved lemon. Man, that gave it a really good aroma. So I'm anticipating the taste to be equally luscious. But here's a loaded bite, folks. Really, really good. That is one delicious bite. Whether or not you do it in an actual tagine, or you try it in a Dutch oven, or you try it in a casserole dish with a lid, you're really going to love this dish. So simple, and it all comes together in your oven in about 30 minutes. Perfect. Give this one a try. The recipe's on tkfoodie.com.